Hey guys, welcome to Studio 9 and today we will be seeing how to add a glitch effect to your videos in Premiere Pro. Before we head into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click this notification bell icon so you never miss one of my videos. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to add a visual glitch effect to your footage that you're editing in Premiere Pro. So I'm just quickly going to start by importing media. Here I have a forest footage and we're going to drag this onto a timeline. So here we have like more than 10 seconds. So how about we just cut this clip short? Let's just see it once. Let's cut it short. And now I will show you how to do it. You're going to take your cutter tools. So you can either click here or you can press C. I prefer to do it C. And you randomly cut up some frames. You can time it with how you want to add the glitch effect. So you can just delete those frames. You don't need them now. And you're going to copy this same frame twice. The same footage, the cut footage, twice. Because we will be adding a red, blue, green effect. And this is the method that I know and use in my videos. There are many other different methods. This is my method. So what we're going to do is, let's hide this top layer first. And we're going to go onto this. So we're going to click on this second layer footage. And we're going to go to effects control here. I'm in the editing tab currently. So we're going to go in the effects control here. And I'll just drag this over so I can see the editing as I'm doing it. So you're going to go and find the opacity option here and you're going to drag it down a bit. So I prefer to drag it down a bit before like approximately to 50 and you're going to move it to left or right. So let's move it to the right here right now. And then let's make this enabled again. And let's click this. Now we go here. We once again decrease the opacity option here as well. And now let's move this to the right. You're going to repeat the same thing for all the cuts that you made. So I'll just do that. So now guys, I am done with this part of my editing. Now, what is a glitch effect without the red, blue and green? The classic glitch. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our first clip and we're going to go to the color tab. So once again, this is how I like to do it. There are other ways that you can do this. So you're going to go to the first clip. This is why I've made 3 different clips. Same thing. You're going to go to the first clip and I usually start with red. So I'm going to go and paint the first one as like red. I'm going to go to the second one, paint it as blue. The third one is already green, but let's just make it more green. And now we're just going to do the same thing for all the rest of them. Red. We go blue here. Green. Now you can see that affects all of that. And then it just turns back. So this can be used in many different places. You can even show it on while maybe you're editing a footage where there is a person. You can see my file autosaved there, where a person is looking at a screen. Maybe it's like a blackmail video or something, and they could add a glitch effect there, or like maybe a spooky scene like right now here. Let's just play this. See, that was scary. Now you can also add like a glitch audio here, but here I'm just showing you a visual effect. See, that looks scary enough. I wouldn't want to watch my own movie for that. That is how I do it. So guys, I will quickly just export this video and show it to you, and then we'll see and finish off this video. So we'll just quickly go here and we'll write this as glitched spooky footage and we're going to export. 3 seconds, very short footage it is. Let's go to our file explorer. Now we go to samples for videos. Now we are in samples for videos. Oh, sorry, supposed to go to edited videos. And now we look for our glitch spooky footage. Here it is. Spooky crime. Yeah, I'm scared enough of this right now. So guys, that was how you add a visual glitch to your videos in Premiere Pro. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.